Today's video is for class 8 transport in plants. Today we will read about an experiment to prove that only the roots absorb water. Now first of all you will take 4 test tubes and mark them test tube A, B, C and D. In test tube A you will fill the test tube A with 3/4 of water and place a cork tightly on it. In test tube B, you will again fill 3/4 of the test tube with water. Dip a plant so that the roots immerse completely inside the water, and you will put few drops of oil so that the water is not lost by evaporation. For test tube C, again you will fill the test tube with 3/4 of water and you will add a pink dye, for example carmine, and then you will dip a plant here. You can take a plant, a balsam or any plant a small plant, and again you will put 3 to 4 drops of oil. You can use mustard oil or any other oil, and this oil will form a layer on top of the water to prevent the evaporation of water. Now in test tube D, you will take another plant, but in this the water will be only few centimeters filled. Okay, not even 1/4 part of the test tube should be filled in water, so that the root of the plant is exposed. Now you will leave this setup for about 24 hours, and after 24 hours you will observe or note down the changes in the water level. Now for test tube A, marked as A, we will observe that water level remains unchanged. Okay? Why? Because of the presence of a cork, there was no loss of water. In test tube B, we will see that the water level falls down. Okay? But it does not happen due to the evaporation of water, because there is a layer of oil on top of water. So it proves that the utilization of water has been done by the plant. Okay? And how has it done it? Because of the roots that is dipped in the water. Fine. Now this proves that water has been absorbed by the plant. Now to confirm it, we have put a pink dye in this. Now what will you observe in the third test tube marked as C? You will see that here too the water level has dropped. Okay. But you will see that the veins in the leaves have turned slightly pink, and that is a confirmation test that the roots are the only organs in the plants or only parts of the plant which absorb water, because this pink dye has travelled up into the plant and to the leaves. Okay. Now, and the leaves have taken up the red color of the water. Fine. But the extreme condition here is seen that as the roots of this plant, which was dipped in test tube D, was not dipped in the water and was exposed to air, here the leaves have all shriveled up. So this experiment proves that only the roots absorb water, because in test tube C we have seen that the pink color dye has travelled up to the leaves, and we can see the pink tinge in the veins of these leaves. Okay. So this is for today. In the next video we will do the root hair and the water absorption by the roots and the speciality of the root hairs. Thank you.